Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the chart of AUDUSD. This pair has long been in downtrend. What we watch here, this is in downtrend. Now here the setup is that been made, it is of downtrend. Now this was the resistance at above this wick. This wick was the resistance, but under this, from this support, this pair has been rejected. This is the rejection, and this was the high of the market. After this rejection, this daily time frame engulfing candle is also shows the bearishness and the continuation of the downtrend. This looks like just a retest of this zone, and this was a strong support for a long time. Then it became resistance, and it could not penetrate above this wick. So this, it looks like this has been rejected. This was the high of the market. After high, the market came down for the low. This was high of the market, this was the low of the market. And I feel like, let me try to explain as simple as possible. This was the high. This is the, I think this is now higher low one of the market. This is the low of the market. So this is now, these are two levels. Then this is the third level for TPs. It is better to enter here and stop loss above this wick, or even above this wick, and multiple TPs can be taken. But in this scenario, when there is a setup of bearishness, it is never better to enter as a buy. It was happened in the Eurochef. I had also made a video on that Eurochef. That was already a downward trend, in which it has been told that there was a manipulation. That was not a manipulation. Eurochef was already in the downtrend. There was a complete setup of downtrend. Then it went down at the day 15th January 2015, according to the policy of the Swiss National Bank. So whatsoever that I wanted to mention here, you can also watch that video. Now I wanted to explain that in this setup, it is never better to buy for even for intraday scalping. If there is a someone is waiting for buy, then it's better that it could go up and break this. After this breaking, there can be a bought also. But I think, now let me put it here. Text, this is high of the market, this is low of the market, this is higher low one of the market. Now let me write it down in the text, this, because we will use, maybe we could use it in the next analysis reference. This is high and low 1. Okay, now, and this was the high of the market. This was high, and this wick, this what you hear, this was the low of the market. This was the low of the market. I feel like that now the pair is expected to go down for the, this was lower low 1. That is, I am expecting somewhere here or here. Let me put a horizontal line and a question mark that where it is expected to go for the, whether here it can go, or because the market moves in waves, so multiple TPs can be taken. So now the question is, this was the low from here to here, 1 2 3 4 points. The question is, let me put in the text, what is going to be the, what is expected to be, what is expected to be from these 4 points. These this is the low of the market. Okay, 1 2 3 4. From these 4 points, which one, question mark is, which is going to be LL1? There is a question mark. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like this video and share with others. And I am very happy to see you watching this channel, this analysis. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now. I will be coming in the next video with another analysis.